Greetings. Have you been working out a lot lately? What is your objective? When it comes to working out, most people have at least one area of their body that they want to improve. What about the tummy? That appears to be the focus of everyone's attention these days. Let's talk about it in the video. Here are 6 techniques to acquire a flat tummy in less than a month. 1. Plank. The plank is an isometric strength building exercise that targets all core muscles and is a core stabilization movement. A plank is a basic but powerful exercise. The proper approach to complete a plank is to hold a stable push-up position for as long as possible. If you're just getting started, try holding a plank for 30 seconds, then 1 minute, and eventually 2 minutes. The most efficient way to practice a plank is to hold the position for a minute, rest for 10 seconds, and then repeat the activity at least twice more. Planks are also excellent for developing upper arm strength. 2. Side plank. Getting rid of that muffin top is a big component of achieving your flat belly objectives. The side plank is a variation of the plank in which the body is propped up on either the right or left side of the body, supported by the arm and leg, and held for as long as possible. The top arm must be extended upward at a right angle to the body. To perform a more advanced version, consider lifting the top leg away from the body rather than resting it on the other leg parallel to the floor. The side plank strengthens and tones the oblique muscles while also stabilizing the side core. Use the same intervals as you would for a conventional plank. 3. Dead bug. The dead bug is a distinct and enjoyable core stabilization exercise that also strengthens the back muscles, focusing on the lower back. To begin this no-equipment workout, lie down on your back, and bend your knees so that your feet are flat on the floor. Tighten your abs and raise your bent legs till your knees are above your hips, then raise both arms halfway overhead. Lower your right arm and left leg until they are barely over the floor, then return to the starting position. Repeat on the opposing side, and finish with 3 sets of 15 repetitions. 4. V-sits. Lie on your back and raise your arms firmly off the floor. Raise your legs off the ground, aiming for a 45-degree angle. Raise your head as well as your shoulders off the floor. When you're ready, lift your upper chest off the floor and bend your knees. Lean back to make the maneuver more difficult, or raise your arms to make it simpler. Slowly lower your upper body to the floor, straightening your legs as you go. Stop when your back, but not your head, shoulders, or legs, is on the floor. This marks the end of 1 rep. Perform 25 repetitions. 5. Reverse push-up. The reverse push-up is a dynamic movement workout that works on your core while strengthening your lower back and targeting belly fat. Raise your hips and your body to the ceiling. To begin, lie on your back, and raise your shoulders and hips to the ceiling, as if you were in a tabletop posture. Drop your shoulders and brace your body with your hands and heels, keeping a straight line up. This exercise not only tones the arms and glutes, but it also strengthens the core and abdominals. 6. Sit-ups. Sit-ups are the most popular and widely used exercise for getting a flat stomach. It is an abdominal endurance exercise that consists of a simple crunching movement that completely targets the abdominal muscles. Sit-ups are a great way to strengthen the rectus abdominis and can be done anywhere. A sit-up is similar to a crunch, but it has a wider range of motion and works more muscles. Please mention in the comments which exercise is your favorite and which one you believe has benefited you the most. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video with others. Thank you for watching.